journey of a newborn baby with neurodevelopmental delay. Charity versus chance. In an ideal world, all infants are born equal and they bring hope to the world. However, the journey of a newborn baby in low-income countries with developmental delay is extremely different when it is compared to a baby in a similar situation who was born in a high-income country. The United Nations has many organizations and programs to monitor healthcare measures across the world, like the World Health Organization. According to the World Health Organization's own report, 15% of the world population lives with some kind of disability, and 80% of that population lives in developing countries. However, most developing countries lack research, prevention strategies, and provide zero intervention for childhood disability. These newborn babies face negligence, discrimination, and a life with disability and poverty. In developing countries, 90% of the disabled children never attend school. To reduce the risk of developmental disability in children, all countries need to have few processes in place, like for prevention, mandatory prenatal care, postnatal care, and a very crucial follow-up screening for all the newborns. After an early diagnosis, a wide-based intervention framework to provide physiotherapy, speech therapy, and occupational therapy as needed. Inclusion and accessibility provide all accessible public buildings, provisions of ramps in schools, hospitals, and options for special education and work. All the vision and work of international human rights organizations seems incomplete without the implementation of the rules based on basic human rights and equality.